She's doing all right. Wowie zowie, girly.
You're a good bike rider. That's a cool helmet, too.
I can't do it.
You're doing an excellent job. Oh, you can get it started. You did it a second ago.
Push really hard. Push, push, push.
I can't. Can you push me?
Watch out, here comes Sophie.
Excellent job. Whoa. Excellent job.
Whoa, I can't push.
Oh, are you stuck? Okay.
Pretty soon, Sophie, we'll be able to go on bike rides throughout the neighborhood this summer.
There you go.
Really good at it.
Delaney, you think you can bicycle that well?
Yeah, because I just bicycled on your bicycle.
Good job.
Excellent job.
Sophie, we're very proud of you.